In today's video, we're going to be talking about cardiovascular exercise and its importance for heart health. Cardiovascular exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. So if you're looking to improve your heart health and overall fitness, this video is for you. What is cardiovascular exercise? Before we dive into the importance of cardiovascular exercise, it's important to understand what it is. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio, is any activity that raises your heart rate and works your cardiovascular system. This can include activities such as running, cycling, swimming, and even dancing. Benefits of cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise has a wide range of benefits for heart health, including improving heart function. Cardiovascular exercise helps to improve the function of your heart, making it stronger and more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. Lowering blood pressure. Cardiovascular exercise can help to lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Reducing cholesterol. Cardiovascular exercise can help to reduce levels of bad cholesterol in the body, which can also lower your risk of heart disease. Reducing inflammation. Cardiovascular exercise has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Improving overall fitness. Cardiovascular exercise is also great for improving overall fitness and endurance, which can make everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Types of cardiovascular exercise. There are many different types of cardiovascular exercise to choose from, including running. Running is a great way to get your heart rate up and improve your cardiovascular health. Cycling. Cycling is another popular cardiovascular exercise that can be done indoors or outdoors. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact form of cardiovascular exercise that is great for people with joint pain or injuries. Dancing. Dancing is a fun and enjoyable way to get your heart rate up and improve your cardiovascular health. How to get started. If you're new to cardiovascular exercise, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your activity level over time. You can start by walking for 30 minutes a day and gradually increase your pace and distance over time. You can also try incorporating other forms of cardiovascular exercise into your routine, such as cycling or swimming. Tips for success. To get the most out of your cardiovascular exercise routine, it's important to set goals. Set realistic goals for yourself and track your progress over time. Find a workout partner. Working out with a friend or family member can help to keep you motivated and accountable. Mix it up. Try different types of cardiovascular exercise to keep your workouts interesting and challenging. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise, and adjust your routine as needed. Frequency and duration. To reap the benefits of cardiovascular exercise, it's important to exercise regularly. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. You can break this up into shorter workouts throughout the week, such as 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Safety. Always prioritize safety when engaging in cardiovascular exercise. If you have any medical conditions, consult with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine. Make sure to wear appropriate footwear and clothing, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort during exercise, stop and seek medical attention if necessary. In conclusion, cardiovascular exercise is a crucial component of heart health and overall fitness. By incorporating regular cardiovascular exercise into your routine, you can improve heart function, lower blood pressure and cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and increase overall fitness and endurance. Remember to start slowly, set realistic goals, and prioritize safety. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.